Yo, what up guys? Welcome to Jack's Off to another adventure. I am currently in Bangkok, and in Bangkok there are tons of food, different varieties. But in this video, we are going to look for some ramen. So we're gonna try a few different ramen shops and see which one we like the best. So join us as Jack's Off to a ramen adventure here in Bangkok. Let's go. Alright, so for our first ramen shop, we are going to 69rockmen. 69rockmen is located in an area called Nihonmura, which means Japanese village. The reason why it's called 69rockmen is because they only serve 69 bowls of ramen a day. And check it out. You do have to sign in here first because they have limited seating. And check it out. 39 people for lunchtime and 30 for dinner, a total of 69. The owner said 69 is the perfect number for them to maintain the quality of all the components that go into the ramen. Yeah, sure thing. Some people will say that selling only 69 bowls of ramen a day is a bad business model, but the owners here will tell you to go 69 yourself. After waiting for 69 minutes, we were finally seated inside. The restaurant was very snug and cozy. The limited seating gives you the vibe that they don't mess around with ramen here. And here's their very simple menu with no pictures. Shoyu ramen. And then I'm guessing the shio ramen. And once we placed our orders, the ramen masters went to work. It's always a privilege to watch a chef work their magic. And yo, is that the legendary ramen technique? The heavenly rokuchuku shabenamu nubo studentna? Eh? Honestly, I have never seen anyone treat noodles like women's hair. Alright, here it is, my bowl of Chio Rockman All-Star. Wow. This has to be the cleanest and purest ramen I've ever came across. Eating this will cleanse my sinful soul and regain my long-lost virginity. But what about the taste? The bamboo shoots were crunchy and well marinated. The veggies were fresh, the wontons were light. The egg is marinated with sakura shrimp for the pink color and an extra shrimpy taste. The chashu was thin but very tender. The noodles look fabulous, being straightened out and easily sliced down your throat. And lastly, the soup made with dashi and chicken stock with sea salt and scallop was packed with flavors but not too overwhelming. Here's my over-exaggerated expression, but it was damn delicious as all the ingredients worked in perfect harmony. None of the toppings overpowered the rest. And here's clickbait Chio Ramen and her over-exaggerated expression. Just like the spirit of 69 where you giveth and taketh, they giveth the ramen and taketh me cash. Woo. So that was 69rockmen. Man, that's hard to beat. It was really good. Next, we headed over to Chabuton, which was located inside a mall. There's no wait list here, so we got seated right away. The inside of Chabuton is quite spacious and very clean, very normal for a restaurant inside a mall. And here's a picture of Japan in salt and pepper colors. It's a really chill place, and here's their menu with pictures so you get to see what you think you're ordering. Let's see what they have. Shio tonkatsu, yuriton, katsubushi, shoyu. Spicy ramen. Oh man, this looks good. I think I'm gonna get this. Some tom yum goong ramen. Wow. The tom yum goong ramen is definitely something you don't see a lot in ramen shops, but I'm a spicy food enthusiast, so I went for the spicy ramen. And since you can't see the ramen masters prepare your food, let's just go straight to the nudes. They give you a few thin slices of chashu, 1 chili pepper, eggs, nori. Yeah, you know, looks close enough to the menu pictures. As for the taste, the spiciness was just right. It had a good amount of kick to it, but not too much to burn my bangholio. Now you might not have high expectations from a ramen shop inside a mall, but this was really satisfying. Clickbait ordered the tonkotsu. I like mine better. Alright, so the last spot we hit up was Mensho Tokyo, located on the always busy Sukhumvit Road. It gets pretty packed, especially at night, and we waited about 45 minutes before we got a table. The vibe here is very casual. It's a great place for friends to gossip while enjoying a nice bowl of ramen. I came here because I wanted to try their A5 Wagyu ramen, but they only serve 5 bowls a day? Konnayaro! Well, since I couldn't get the A5 Wagyu, let me flip through their very nice menu to see what I want. They had some interesting choices, but since my mind was stuck on Wagyu, I went for the Wagyu miso ramen. And check this out, ooh la la! It's got minced garlic, bamboo shoots, crushed nuts, and look at this piece of meat, And clickbait got the duck ramen, and I gotta say the presentation is very appetizing. But what about the taste?
Let's try the soup first. Wow, it's very rich. No.
Yeah, and it's very good. I feel like you know that I Actually, it's
The meat was extra succulent and thick. And what's thicker were the noodles. And what's even thicker was the broth. This had so much flavor, but it was just too rich and creamy, I couldn't finish it. Alright, so we just went to 3 different ramen shops, and which one did I like best? Let's talk about it. At 69rockmen, the ramen masters were very passionate about the ramen, and you can definitely see and taste it. Their attention to detail was inspiring, and the presentation was truly a work of art. Taste-wise, all the ingredients work very well together in harmony. Unfortunately, they have limited seating here and only serve 69 bowls of ramen a day, so if you want to come here, you better come 69 minutes earlier to sign up. For Chabuton, although located inside a mall, the ramen is not just some mall food, but on par with actual restaurants. In terms of spicy ramens, this was probably the best spicy ramen I've ever had. Usually when you order spicy ramens at other shops, they serve it with ground pork for whatever reason, but here they give you actual pieces of chashu. Also, if you feel like a fat ass after your meal, you can go walk it off at the mall. Lastly, Mensho Tokyo is the place you want to go if you want delicious meat on your ramen. Honestly, they had the best meat out of all 3 places, and it wasn't even close. They even served duck, which is a meat I have never seen on ramen before. However, while they have the best meat, their soup was too thick for my liking. It's the only place I couldn't finish the soup. So which one did I like best? All 3 ramen shops gave me a wonderful experience, but I have to go with 69rockmen. 69rockmen was my personal favorite, not because of my immaturity, but their ramen was the best all around of the 3. Chabuton may have the best spices, and Mensho may have the best meat, but 69rockmen had the best bowl of ramen. Everything from the ingredients to the service just made the entire experience very complete. Now, if they can combine all 3 restaurants, where you can have Mensho's meat, Chabuton's spices, and 69's harmony, that would be the ultimate ramen. Alright, and there you have it. Who knows, I might do more of these food videos because food is also part of the adventure, shamai? And also, it was really delicious. So there you have it. Thank you guys for watching, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Until next time, Jack's off.